Focusing on our goals is crucial for achieving success and personal fulfillment. In a world filled with distractions and competing demands for our attention, maintaining focus can be a challenge. However, the ability to concentrate on our objectives is a skill that can be developed and refined over time. This narration explores various strategies and insights to help individuals enhance their focus on their goals. To begin, it's essential to understand the importance of setting clear and specific goals. Vague aspirations often lead to confusion and lack of direction. By defining what you want to achieve, whether it's in your career, personal life, or health, you create a roadmap that guides your efforts. Utilizing the SMART criteria, making goals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, can provide clarity and ensure that your objectives are well structured. For instance, instead of setting a general goal like "I want to get fit," you might specify, "I will exercise for 30 minutes, 5 times a week for the next 3 months." Once your goals are clearly defined, the next step is to break them down into smaller, manageable tasks. Large goals can often feel overwhelming, leading to procrastination or disengagement. By dividing your goals into bite-sized tasks, you can create a sense of progress and accomplishment as you complete each step. This not only makes the process less daunting but also helps maintain motivation. For example, if your goal is to write a book, you might set daily or weekly word count targets, allowing you to track your progress and stay focused. Creating a productive environment is another vital aspect of maintaining focus on your goals. The spaces we inhabit can significantly influence our ability to concentrate. To foster productivity, eliminate distractions in your workspace, whether that means decluttering your desk, turning off notifications on your devices, or finding a quiet area to work. Surround yourself with elements that inspire you, be it motivational quotes, images of your goals, or even plants that bring a sense of calm. A well-organized and inviting environment can enhance your focus and creativity. Establishing a routine is also beneficial in honing your ability to concentrate on your objectives. Consistency breeds habit, and by creating a daily or weekly schedule dedicated to working toward your goals, you can train your mind to focus during those times. Incorporate specific blocks of time where you engage solely in activities related to your objectives, free from interruptions. For instance, if you are working on a personal project, designate certain hours each day as project time, allowing you to immerse yourself fully without distractions. Accountability can also play a significant role in maintaining focus. Sharing your goals with friends, family, or colleagues can create a support system that encourages you to stay on track. Regular check-ins or progress updates with an accountability partner can motivate you to uphold your commitments. Additionally, consider joining groups or communities that share similar goals. The collective energy and support can help reinforce your focus and provide valuable insights. Mindfulness and self-awareness are crucial components in the journey to focus on your goals. Practicing mindfulness techniques, such as meditation or deep breathing exercises, can help clear your mind of clutter and enhance your ability to concentrate. Taking a few moments each day to reflect on your goals and visualize your success can reinforce your commitment and motivation. Journaling your thoughts and feelings related to your goals can also provide insights into your progress and areas where you may need to adjust your focus. It's important to acknowledge that setbacks and distractions are a natural part of the goal-setting process. Instead of viewing obstacles as failures, try to reframe them as opportunities for growth and learning. Maintaining a positive mindset and being adaptable can help you navigate challenges more effectively. When you encounter difficulties, take a step back, assess the situation, and adjust your approach if necessary. Remember that persistence is key. Staying focused on your goals often requires resilience and determination. Celebrating milestones along your journey is essential for maintaining motivation and focus. As you achieve smaller tasks or reach significant checkpoints, take the time to acknowledge your accomplishments. Rewarding yourself for progress creates a positive reinforcement loop, encouraging you to continue striving toward your larger goals. Whether it's treating yourself to something special or taking a moment to reflect on how far you've come, celebrating successes can boost your morale and keep you engaged. In conclusion, focusing on our goals is a skill that can be cultivated through intentional practices and strategies. By setting clear objectives, breaking them down into manageable tasks, creating a productive environment, establishing a routine, and seeking accountability, individuals can enhance their ability to concentrate on what truly matters. Incorporating mindfulness, maintaining a positive mindset, and celebrating milestones can further support this journey. Embrace the process of focusing on your goals, and you will find that clarity and determination can lead you to achieve your aspirations and unlock your full potential.